Worldwide Truss and Frame started around 6 or 7 years ago. It's a family business. Originally we used to do carpentry supply and install for the building industry, and then we moved into manufacturing our own trusses. Hi, I'm Clinton Wells. I'm the Managing Director of Worldwide Truss and Frames. Very early on, after purchasing the business, we realised that we needed to invest in more automation simply because of the lack of efficiency with the existing equipment that we had. So after doing a number of visits over east, touring different truss plants, Vekta became the obvious choice for us. Having Vekta located in Perth, WA was a really big plus. It gave us the confidence that if a machine did go down, we knew that we could have someone here fairly quickly to get us back up and running again. Our journey with Vekta started with purchasing first a razor saw. After that was installed, I think it was only a matter of months before we could see the benefits of automation, and the pack feeder was the next bit of equipment that we soon proceeded with. Since then, our relationship with Vekta has continued to grow to the point now where we're operating 2 razor saws, 2 pack feeders back to back, feeding onto a direct delivery system. All their equipment is modular, so you can start with a razor saw and get that up and running, get used to that, and then you can move on to a pack feeder. You don't need to do everything at once. Most people can't afford to do everything at once. So by working with them, they're very much able to help you do a step-by-step process and make a plan, a bigger plan than just the first bit of equipment. For us, the single biggest advantage is just the optimization. Being able to get our waste down, have less timber lengths and varieties on hand. The pack feeder, it takes out the manual handling of having to load timber onto the in-feed chains of the razor, and also it eliminates the picking errors, and that's absolute gold. Our key customers also really appreciate the investment that we make into automation. It gives them the confidence that we have the capacity to deliver to meet their demand and their requirements. One of the biggest benefits with working with Vekta is that they're also willing to listen to your ideas and to try and bring that together with their own ideas so that there's a win-win. I would highly recommend Vekta. We very much work one-on-one with Ed and Morad. You get to deal with the guys at the top of the business to try and understand what your requirements are and what your plans are, and how you can go about achieving that.